Alright, so today I'm going to be working on my 2008 Lexus ES350. What I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be replacing the rear sway bar bushings. There's two of them, one on each side, just right below, right next to the tires. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so the bushings that I purchased online was these right here, Matrix Premium. Link will be in the description. This is the part number right there. You could freeze it. Let's get started. All right, before we get started, let me just show you where these things are located. This is where I'm gonna be replacing today, right here. This is the driver's side. Obviously, keep in mind, I'm in the rear, not in the front. And the other one is literally right here. They're being held in place by two nuts and bolts right here. So what I'm going to do right now is lube them both, put some WD-40 on them. Hopefully it will come out easy, won't give us any problems. Again, it's a 2008, so who knows. So we'll get started. All right, the socket needed for it is a 12 mil. It's going to get a little noisy here. Thank God that came out very easily. All right, so all we gotta do now is just pull this down. Now there's a tab here that holds this in place. I mean, it doesn't matter, you can take it out or just leave it in place because that's not what we're gonna be changing. We'll be changing the bushing itself. Now, this is the bushing itself. Honestly, it doesn't look that bad, but you know, it's a 2008, so I'm gonna have to replace it. Worth pointing out, in case you haven't noticed, these things come with a slit in the middle, so you could wrap it around the sway bar. That's how you put it in there. Otherwise, you would have to take out the entire sway bar and then push it in. Like, so we'll just do the reverse here. There you go, make sure it's in there fully seated. And now we put back the bracket. It's probably going to be a little more tight because it's a brand new bushing, but no big deal. Take the bolts, put them back on. Again, we'll get a little noisy now. One down, one to go. Move on to the other side now. All right, so this one I did encounter an issue with this bolt right here. It completely stripped off. So this is how it goes. Like I said earlier, it's a 2008 Lexus. Thankfully for me, I have an AutoZone down the block and I drove there and picked one up. So we'll be all right. I didn't record that because that's not the point of this video. The point is to replace the bushings. So just like on the other side, I'm going to remove this one, remove the clamp a little bit. I don't know, they do look like they need replacing. They're not in a bad shape, but they need to be replaced. Here's the new one, put it back on. The clamp back on. Like I said on the other side, this has got this clip here. You put it in there. Just gonna guide it back in place. There you go, it's pretty solid now. It's all done, everything's in place. So that's all there is to replacing the bushings in the rear. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Please consider subscribing, giving it a thumbs up, all that good stuff that YouTube offers. Thank you, have a great one.